Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add audio beat to Match Cut on VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and select new project, and since we want to edit video, we can select video based. Okay, and I'm going to select some photos from my gallery. Wait, for example, I'm going to select photos from my pins album. Okay, and I'm just going to pick random photos like this, and I'm going to add these selected photos to my project. Okay, and I'm going to add audio beat to match cut. Wait, I'm going to add audio to this project. I'm going to click on the section, and then I'm going to select music. And for instance, I'm just going to add music from VN. Here we have some categories, and I'm going to choose, for instance, dynamic. Okay, and then we can choose a music. I'm going to choose this one. If you want to use music from VN, make sure you have good internet connection to download it. Okay, and now the music is being downloaded, guys. It's still processing. Okay, and now the music has been downloaded, and I'm going to click on use. Okay, and here we'll be able to add beat mark or audio beat to the music. We just need to click on this beats option like this, and we can manually add the audio beat. Okay, I'm going to show you. Don't forget to play the music, and then you can click on this icon to add the beat mark. Wait, just play the music like this. Okay, and I think that's enough. This is just for an example, and then I'm going to click on the check mark. Click on the check mark again, and this is the audio beat, and we can match cut according to the beat mark. I'm just going to use split and delete, and click on split and delete, and again split and delete, and this is the last one, split and delete. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add beat mark on VN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.